an interesting Facebook post on the front display, you can simply unfold your phone to see all the details on the bigger screen. It's amazing. Thank you. The beauty of 3-app multitasking and app continuity is that they let you use the most important apps to you the way you want. And that's because we worked with Google and the Android developer community to optimize apps like WhatsApp and Microsoft Office for the Fold's unique dual displays. We also worked with YouTube to give Galaxy users access to YouTube Premium. Thank you. Now, to ensure that all these apps run smoothly, the Galaxy Fold needs unprecedented, unparalleled performance. So that's what we gave it. The Fold has a state-of-the-art 7-nanometer processor and 12 gigabytes of RAM, making it one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. There's more. There's 512 gigs of onboard memory, and for the first time on a mobile device, support for Universal Flash Storage 3.0, which means, they know what it means. This means you'll be able to read data twice as fast as most other smartphones, making it incredibly responsive. Now, you may be sitting there asking yourself, how did we build a battery into a phone that folds right down the middle? Well, the answer is we built 2 of them, one on each side of the device. Our engineers have developed special technology to combine energy from both batteries into a single power source. Now that is a whole lot of power. Thank you. The Galaxy Fold is incredibly versatile. It's a smartphone, a tablet, and a camera that fits in your pocket. And the camera is just as flexible as the rest of the device. In fact, it's actually a system of 6 cameras. 3 on the back, 2 on the inside, and 1 on the front. The Fold will always be ready to capture the moment no matter which way you hold it or you fold it. Now, it's one thing to hear about all the Fold's incredible capabilities from me, but it's another to see them for yourselves. Let's take a look. Hey, Josh, can you help me out?
Hey, Justin.
Everybody, this is Josh Kim. Please welcome him.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm really excited to show everyone what the Fold can do. As you can see, it fits perfectly in my hand. First, let's unlock it. All I have to do is place my thumb on the side, and I'm ready to go.
Wow.
It's really quick. We have all the usual suspects here. Here are my messages. Here's my email. And my playlist on Spotify. Pretty much everything that I already do on my phone.
Exactly. I find it especially useful folded when I'm on the go. Hey, Josh, can we show them how to navigate with Google Maps?
Sure. I can easily pull up Google Maps. But here's where things get really cool. I can unfold it and instantly see the map on the big screen.
Yeah. That's amazing. That is amazing. As you can see, the same map that Josh was just looking at on the front display is already inside, waiting for him. Everything's just like he left it. That is the power of app continuity. And now he can see so much more, the street names, the restaurants, all in greater detail. Okay, so how about we check out another app on the big screen? How about Netflix?
Sure. I'm a huge fan of Netflix. I usually watch it on my tablet, but now I can watch it right on the Fold.
Wow, that is a gorgeous display. So I see what you mean. The Fold is perfect for watching videos, reading your favorite books, or taking a video call.
And you can do all three at once.
Oh, well, we have to see that. So let's say Josh wants to watch YouTube and chat with his friend on WhatsApp at the same time. And you never know when he might need to Google something. There you have it. That is 3-app multitasking in action. On the left, the YouTube video is playing. On the right, he's messaging a friend, and if he needs to browse the web, it's right there in the third window. And if he wants to browse in the bigger window, he can do that too. All he has to do is just drag the browser over to the larger display. It's so simple. It's simple and seamless. And the screen is big enough to fit all 3 apps. Now that was great. Thank you for all your help, Josh. Josh Kim, everyone.
Thank you.
So whether it's open or closed, the Fold lets you use your favorite apps in completely new ways. That's the magic of the Galaxy Fold. It's unlike anything you've ever seen. The Fold comes in both an LTE and a 5G version, starting from $1,980, depending on your region and carrier. And you can get your very own Galaxy Fold starting on April 26th. Now, a luxury device deserves luxury packaging, right? And maybe a little something extra. Perhaps a pair of our new dynamic earbuds, which you'll hear about later today. And in just a few weeks, you can be one of the first in the world to take home the Galaxy Fold. It will change the way you interact with the world around you. We've been working to refine every aspect of the Fold. We fine-tuned every detail to create a device that will enrich your lives. And we know that you'll use it in ways that we haven't even imagined yet. Because that's what you do. You give our innovations new meaning. Unpacked is a celebration of our journey together over the last decade. And today, we're introducing a host of devices that will come to define the next one. So let's take a closer look at where we've been and where we're going together. Thank you very much.